Here we've got XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate battery percentage and status bar. So first of all, you need to reach settings, and then you can either enter battery in your search area, then you'll be provided with battery indicator tab, which needs to be tapped, or you can smoothly click on notifications and control center, scroll down, and here you'll notice status bar, smoothly mark it, and now pick battery indicator. And you can choose one of those options, so it can be located next to battery icon, inside the battery icon, or you can hide it. And I like this percentage next to the icon option and the most, as it's most visible, and this is how you can customize your status bar with the percentage of the battery. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.